What to do if you get in an accident without insurance? A car accident. Just the thought of one is enough to make our hair stand on end. A car accident is a traumatic event that none of us ever want to experience, yet according to statistics it is something most of us will endure at some point. So what is the proper procedure to follow if you do get into a collision? Follow the steps below and you could possibly save lives and will ensure that the claim process with your auto insurance company is as smooth and painless as possible. Be sure to keep your insurance information, a pencil, a pad of paper, and a disposable camera in the glove compartment of your car. Why? Well, these items will be invaluable if you happen to get into a collision with another automobile. You will need to exchange insurance information. You can use the pencil and a pad of paper to record certain details of the scene, and with the camera you can take pictures of the vehicles involved. The initial seconds after a collision can be extremely disorienting, to say the least. But the first thing you need to do is to find a safe place to pull over and stop your vehicle. It is against the law to flee the scene of an accident. If you decide to drive off, you will most certainly face a stiff fine and possibly even jail time. This includes yourself, the occupants of your vehicle, and the other people involved in the accident. Make sure that everyone is okay, and if anyone requires medical attention, get help immediately. Be sure to give the authorities all the necessary details. How many people, vehicles are involved in the wreck, if anyone is injured, in your exact location. Emotions will be running high, but you must resist the temptation to discuss the details and or cause of the accident with the other people involved. You don't want to say something that could be used against you later on. And most important of all, do not admit fault. When the police arrive on the scene, give the investigating officer all the details he or she needs. Answer all of their questions and be as forthcoming as possible. Also, after investigating officer is finished with his or her report, be sure to get a copy of it. You will need to give your insurance company this. Also, using a disposable camera, take pictures of the accident scene and the damaged vehicles. This will essentially begin the claims process. Give your insurance company all of the information you have recorded at the accident scene. Hopefully you will never need to use this procedure. But in case you do get into a fender bender, these tips can make a horrible experience a bit better and safer and allow you to go on with your life as quickly as possible.